Yo, assalamu alaikum badingul. Bi nga kacha sambali na ntela Mustafa Kedawo verified. Ning honorable Almame Jibala Bejambi, honorable member for Fonyi Councillor. Almame Bismillah.
Baraka Mustafa.
Yep.
Kondanta Bake ka nine platform. I think this is my first time.
Yeah, it's your first time being here.
Yeah. Baraka.
All right. So, the issue of accountability shying, because Yalo National Assembly, Altul Deputy Lelaka Dapanso, Bankola Dapanso Bondi. Yo, to general Lumfanaka o Kiskisi. Aliye Dapans follow Bondita, Altul Bojar follow Mempas, Umjumala Kinendi.
Andol
House.
Ndol nada deputy bondo 2022. April. Yes.
So that means that altoli budget fulala pass me alonko on secunda daban so me alonko wala kiskisiro findita science or generally membon.
Yeah.
Okay. So bidding altoli ye audit report on ko eta fama ye karan eta fana.
Yeah, I went to it. But dikande bagar, but I went in a summary. Salient areas all melanco. I think see mafano qualto. Nga domanding jube jere. Towards that. Yeah.
So barbira another parliament ya present but altoli ya asamba California la public accounts committee FPAC. Finance and Public Accounts Committee.
Yeah, I can only I think Mansakunda found they are in pressure. Amanke sa what it yana these are issues melanco. Dambiano nyanta ka long. Yi Mansakunda be ala tunku munete. Accountability kiskisiro komin tonya ka lanke men. Aka kanyi Mansakunda problem but because member ye the accountant general me auditor general me bondi nyinne modi melanko kabira nata e ka memfo ay fudu jama letara melanko ka man doku wo kamala atefana na me a fansas ana la staff so kabira na 2022 kaiten ko abe kato kelale ka jeko audit report accountfen call government and parastatals abe doku ajeko den sango men kana wala ala hayr meroti ajeko fengo fe abe menkela aba kumasala awadol because for example some of this audit report come about 2019 2021 2022 2023 yana sangol tambita so sangol men tambita yana sotoroje o kulto dol bije is normal even do kulala karola askeno membe do ko ke kan 2021 mo mantara do ko ke kan sai
ka to bota jeta
imma fata ay do ko bulale wala aritayata so ba yela nyinne issue men ka tafana ka bera na da ko he wants to work pour a call address but as of now kunun ko ka bintara deputy moto or the report on nyande ka nano ameta
na
2021
and 2022
exactly 2021 2022 nyande ka nane baraman na munad na manna nka men fo ni mukule de melon ko to fango nka jele andum fanan mbaw koto membe dending account auditor general la bata sometimes when he goes to certain institutions akolia soto je bake accountability so be for example ita ko nyinna ni Mustafa la nyanda ka kesi roke ka je ko to la nafulo nka men do ku ndimbe men do ku kan nyanda ka men do ku membe landering pour tilingo ni tonya e sabato ko wo mo men nyanda ka ko mafa wo yake problem no pour mo fango I access to certain information so nyinne ku de melo ko batana
wo karke de to bulu itu to bakele
so ibaja sometimes back and front so ni auditor sol man bambang nyinkati na ko le yonfa but ni bambang da fanan in terms of surcharge itol fana ila biloto ye limitation on soto je ba ko melo
ko surcharge ki je follow
exactly so ye limitation on soto
kala le number after parliament man
imao nyanto soto so baya natare o nyanto soto ton e bajile tariya ni nyinya be kela
ne atara yesu nyaro
yesu nyaro ke wala ejo ke batada be kering se force no yafa ko hani nyin kolde don ngafo nyame nyanta ka ke wonya but ala na dake on Monday walem dolla lunda bangote parliament nyin pass session on tamita
break shot
so inata with audit report. Aboku balo, jamalo, management letter, audit query, management letter, audit report in each and every of 2021, 2022, 2023, up to 2020, yes, 2021. So kabiri nata, man sakunda nyi fenne hatina yi reporto samana nyi watola. Because membi je wala kabiri ya samana, nka kanyame no wala nko, ni ya samana National Assembly, nka motion no pass. Imma nga debate, then we pass it to FPAC. FPAC ya jube, ya kiskisiroke ya bondi nyoto moli. Then from there they come with recommendations. Ndon nga recommendation critic nga kiskisi. Then we call nga pass to government puru isi execution oke. Tinyaro menketa, menyan daga keno memmanke. Police jina kame investe memman senia da anyanda kalafa nyade. Manke o menketa. Either even government like Carola, and in some institutions, administrative gaps all melanko, manke keta ila do ko la Carola. Nyanda ka policies and cool melanko ima norma, ima lual norma kakodo bondi, ima lual norma kakodo dundi. Nyinen ko de melanko to ka be jube the recommendation ke dani apa. Then from there, I ban to lubulu, then I start to the executive. It only a time and the lalt.
Bankota be FPAC le.
Non be pegle. Public enterprise. So kabiro okeda, sign they came with it. But men tunko membe you see the majority camp. Ibe wulla kamol diamunde. Ha nga wakile bayri nyum kol be nyamen sañ. Ha yalen tol fon ninko be nyum jubela FA jande ba banna abekala 1 year 6 months wato be talal jande report be jere kay ko. Ntol manki tolel.
Jande FA ka bang 1 year.
Ha dol quand même fo iko jande ba banna ya report nyille aske 1 year 6 months nyol wato be talal. Because wato tije ngako munati na wato tije munati na in fact in the first place muna ya dilendi fanyi wato anyo na kejelo ko ni mon 2021 2022 muna na wule wo dileta so a dilerin call assign akamuta ko albe manare ko leke kan tanin don min kadiya badna da lonje yara fa manke manare 15 de ila tongole be detere ila tongole be detere ni reporto ni ajibe bibe wakilim pour ni eta expose and we call I même for wole ko in the resolution sorry in the motion Deputy Majority Leader, Honorable Abdoulaye Cissé, I même pass. Ako, nga pass without debate. We call our fan, I talk to FPAC. FPAC would then prepare a resolution and come back to Parliament. And report back to Parliament. Secondly, another most I remember, I not have a motion of an ko. Ni reporto National Assembly Kangodi, Auditor General. I have published. Amanjari. I FPAC la report on bato. So I am two motional leader. So the first one will FPAC la doko. Oh, it's no man waka onyaman. But in laba menkana interest la atine yake.
Publish.
Publish nying wale mko ni make bunda be sororan. Ibe yaka ni dulada wale mko nyim publication depends on fenko ila dono fenko let.
Budget support.
Budget support them. Naman publish the elites in the wider world. Well, for them between one naman publish don't budget support in ad. So budget support yatina whatever be me taka well quality.
It tell no la budget wo for spend for 3-4 years. Abuka audit, abuka publish mo abuka long muna beje 2021 man na 2022. And you take a samosa, you take a dapan zero like billions of dollars. Yajela akata mo malo ngadunta dame. So
wale mkwalde so nyi mkwal betala nada. Abe nyi mkwal be kame me double. Amanga kom no new aka auditor general men nata wale be kwal for. This is a work that has been done by a former. But a former parade program munati. Aparate halal. Nyi membi je wale mko ima abe penole kelaje auditor general sign. I don't know even if Scanner the former auditor general fire
signed. The former 2021 and 22 be signed.
Exactly.
23 at Nindole or something.
So imagine a member Jewolenko, Adoku Bandolem, but a Munatina Fenko Castle Mante Waton. But as I remember Jeff and telephone Ajako, Ning Tata FPAC. Resolution on pass in Parliament ko Auditor General published because Auditor General in Parliament can yomwe. Parliament memfire at
Parliament be Auditor General Parliament la correlate.
Exactly. So walem quality so ito yamenje walem ko batu hannata be memmentala Samabe gila nyawanya nyama. Molbe diama na nyawanya fraud and fraudulent. Undisclosed amount. Problem be me carrying 2021, 2022 kata 2023. Abekela nyawanya nyama. Itol be men jube ka man sakunda ka men jube sai wala ko. Itol be la fri auditor general men ketenga populist. Itol be pour ye budget support soto.
Sa nga ku kilen diamo, and this is a subject matter me along ko ibajele ko afinita audit report kono anda kam a meta back. Traditional mati jansa for almost aketa ado mulungi wala mansakunda parliament la ka dapansiro tala ito lele ka ninku mu keklam bankola na fulo to lele ka kuntun ka tala bankola siduland yo so but parliament wati ka soto mansakunda ka kodo bondi ka dapansi bugana parliament
nsi sample kilindile
mama jabi payment no maje ya flag wala nyam
yane nyimme kuldere melanko president we tawata ntenga amira no ntela joya amira do I was not seeing this audit report ko nyimfam be reflect la je ntenga amira no ngame mira no wala ko imma president of afansun kodo akawale sas
mama jabe ko nyi
ani ko ntela joya amira do kabiri
maje wala police oli
police la fenko atodum
police sabo mem
traffic light jang
mun traffic
kabiri ntenga o president o haima ntela joya mirror nda mira nonko president is doing out of goodwill to internalize security kaytendo ko president of 1 million landile imma ala posoto ala kodoto wala abe bolla nyawanya barama ate ntela joya mirror ko wala fayde
ete wala mirror
ate mire ndenga mirror no ate bolla na mansa kundala arankeso
bar ojo ceremony keta interior ministry la ko
hani yani nakada no ko min ngabe mira no ndenga mi ko do bor nan la dodo bar yara fa ya tanun dulato man sakundado anin silo manta ya di mama jabile mealon ko ate fa ko endir kol man koy woto
ya kol man koy folo ko kitiyo man
ya na kitiyo man bang so ite o mojo so bi hana dan different for example na dan telam fonyi kansalade nde almame jiba nsi wori no nu nga fa ko ha ngalo ne de kari nyol le nyim fa woto ko do ba di lantela. So you see how reckless a government, including the president, nyimuti limbali aleti me alonko gambelo nyanda kalo ko nyimuti limbali ya balati because number one ibe more reward la anyanta keki with accountability, transparent and poverty kaiten ko tonya be damendo almame mom ko Mustafa Lem anyi don ko je atafa ajele ay video soto la ko be soto le me alonko tonya be damendo Mustafa le nyin ko ka senen
ndro verifiable
so verifiable facts man ite motara borato ya sambana karilem ya muta san kito jube ka menke and again even the police ila testimony ya mema kabita record ya play e ka jewe ko samfara waro ani bank fara waro the difference ye melfo so I say mama jabi from nowhere you reward him that cash amount of money and again fana yo ko do boni dame ani slow fana manta
because parliament approve
so ibajela
but mama jabi case da mande because any media service contract
ani media service kamem fo yani wo example no wo jam fatare
I'll just biriya o fana kumas biriya o fana kumas atra wato be jele pour ka sambana parliament
yes
bari ma sambana parliament ye batu na fo budget session o past
no
so e kay jama
no in jama ble bije just of recently judiciary enumeration yana natanum
yes
I can tell you this
jojo la salary
so jojolu kabirin anatanum 2020 draft ya reject le ya kuntu Dauda Tata Dauda on te malon fo Dauda who was an activist in terms of law
honorable
Dauda Jallow minister of justice the minister of justice was malon whether it was not Dauda before but now it's a different Dauda because more ibe imantara place no activeness ikamenso the rule of law good governance abetala victim sol jana be cool fenke activist sol law whatever that environment has shifted kabira ka the minister design akamata ko sign he's even afraid to tell the president being an advisor of government cool nyim bebe mekere mbe I'll give you that one example kabin judiciary bill nada asambana just last the kabira asambana parliament ntele wulta Sidin Jai Deputy Speaker, hey, this is media. You cannot come and use media. And Standard has publicity. Standard also asked the finance minister. Finance minister confirmed the money. Alangin femko ila joro la karola. the schedule. They came with an old schedule. Namin approve 2025 budget. Dauda yole sambana. Kabira samana le nte wulta. Nkweko, the schedule attached in this judiciary bill is not the schedule that these people are currently receiving salaries. Among God, now therefore.
So I come there. I'll tell you the ponso men allocate 2024. Ibe joro men ke
2025.
2025.
We are in 2025 here.
Yes.
Ha.
So joro tambita wala. Kabini June. Na mera dawda phone ata.
Because men keta. Kabiri woketa. Nko sign. Ngamen approve. Wala be attach as a schedule. Below nying kabin dol ko nta mala. They went and changed Kadil include your magistrates will include instead of only judges sign, they went and redo and added some other officials. So I know judicial enumeration officials bill, I take a judge all the matter, Kadil, magistrate all. Sign, you see the tactics you make. You know, but the majority, what is from government, sign, amanje donga critic, but ntenga alon no ko. Ulumbina ibebe ko jimila sai kabiri nying ya sambana 2025 budget nga même pass ala schedule ya wala attach nga for Dauda amanna question of anjabi nga speaker for ko Dauda is failing, Dauda is not telling the truth, he's not ready to answer and to do the manula jang next come and another schedule if he comes with a different schedule abekala other member it all good no adhanyi la wala we will reject it now kabiri to nga debate bang ngafenne foyde Dauda is hearing me nasilata alala I don't know an minister Juma wala na that day in parliament ndol debate ko la nga foy la member nka ko malobe kupilal kanne nka ko di schedule because kabiri nga nyininka among
wala lungo menti an injustice je na daje
hani wo mu consideration nati a day before second reading lungo men nga second reading ke yani this second reading na consideration just jade na consideration lungo la
baran na ta pass le
ha nga men fo sa kabiri oketa second reading ni kabiri nga debate I told them frank I read it sums Mary Alon go sign that's what they are receiving not what is approved.
So I come to just example onying Chief Justice la salary benum
70
70,000
yes
sai ngatata
190 something I think so 190 something so you just hear a shift
exactly
exactly so dolu 50 now they are earning 110 plus so you see kabiri oketa ntenga fo nyino nko ko sign
ba itoli ala fo ala janni kanal to lekam kabiri njun
nka wala fo eten itole sedulo mensa atata kinto di
ba wala ne bari letter of na samman
ani wala taro nyin amanke ulungola ya samman lord nga fo kabiri sai sedulo ataita nga odi ben ko nyi manke tonya bilode ndefan ko let's throw this bill out I voted against muna atina tilimoti je majority ya pass so kabiri na da consideration na Samba Jallo ya race nka ko ndela race la de karab ha let's wait until we reach the schedule Dauda tata I let her samana karam moli ko from office of the president la approve ko they wrote a letter to office of the president office of the president approve effective 1st of June ila nyim payment nyandaka effect wala so new schedule Mayor Lonko is not approved by parliament ya less ambanang ka attach to the bill that we have passed even if mandakorala to an old schedule but Dauda mafoko old schedule nying there is a new schedule abe men replace la ndenga nyinin ka wala ibalanda karka ofo ha social media lem am manka to nyati jiwa is paid it hanyile ko case kabiri na ranko ko Dauda you came and lie in front of people olungola do that nga you lie to
olungola nga ye letter someone from the state house
wolungola kabira nada wo new schedule plus the letter always someone from Senate president approve now president doesn't have that veto power to approve personal emolument and no personal ya sato mindon the judiciary budget you don't even have any right based on the Finance Regulation Act, even the Constitution, human rights of the Puruka Blado Kundu, ya Samba, ya ke salary kuti. Salary is only and solely approved by the parliament. So you see, menketa. Now, kabiri yung call data. ndefana wundam ko ko santeri kafol aldiam sidi nyaanyol bebe siri be ngai ko tok ngai ko this is what we were querying ngai ko alala manko dema help the Gambian people dawda fango nyala ngai ko dawda this is what you say to people now look at this it is the same for Zara Ndelen na Goria as a minister ndema bela fango I have failed the Gambian people, misleaded them.
But nyindama ante example ti aside from the judicial elimination bill, there are other examples to kudol bijira meni alonko ka expenditure ke ka joro ke already o ku depends the nana parliament.
Now, I think we could remember 2023 or 2022. Ministers think they added their salaries after the issue of passing the budget.
So
only to realize monada. But now, the political will is not there in parliament. Pour can you go regulate? Mustafa, natra tonya be dame ntol be lafta bangola and be bangola ko jube kan lafta pour bango e tama tilingo ni tonya kan. This could have been a sample me alonko ningo set in parliament. Man sakuna ne te kukela menketa kumi inkuote. But nakeda you see them be quiet supporting a bad president that they've set.
Bari ibajala ko ni ajibe fonga to ka depansi ro membe so parliament la ka depansi ro so and then depansi ro nyim fana tata nyam parliament la responsibility dan kaje ko man sakunda ko do men bondi ay atata anyala yaje ngam fo so nandra wole be kere sai muna na parliament ning auditor general report bondi albuka long kanta je me alonka bombanta kaitande ko because auditor general nga soto jang karamba ko nyako kabirin 2017 kana sign it all reports have always been adverse opinion
Allah
wala ko musalfi tinyaro fu matal coming
after makambo do
and ngani ni last three men ali receive they are all adverse opinion
very well no the problem mbije ya de Mustafa ntolbe buloto melongo nimang hakiloto you know, the country would not be at this firm footing in terms of finance and
but I don't know be bulo kono I don't know parliament
but membi je wolem that parliament can memvo partisanship political le parliament consume momo parliamentarian na la saka tonya foye bi na tara manke political ti ye judiciary ye nyin approve imejo wala ita da do ke ye fanjo wala what should have been the mess what should have been ye ma kan mwele parliament na karona ndol na ma but the rest they are quiet do they say the resolution kaitendo ko jojol melan ko yela salani jo within those period inyende ka mburundi bang we heated nothing silence because membe je wala ko nin ko duta because the unfortunate issues in parliament and parliamentary process wala ko nin ko duta hanada manke tonyati bare tubabo la karola ni loi lukunu ngolo yemenda da wala ko hanada manke tonyade bannim bulol wule wol siata tonya balia hanada wol siata wala ka ke tonyade you see so nyinne ko di melon ko fana e barada ke parliament la karola even some of these audit reports audit queries to put the government into a corner pour ka itendo ko tilingoni tonya e sabati aka kolya baka because most of the issues abeka ke political la
because hana antra auditor general report nte ali report dol soto la men beko for example the parliamentary investigation into the Gambia tourism
yes exactly you see ofana ngena nyame ofana ngena it incline a political line
am I implement AKI
petroleum fana
petroleum
and again also nyimfem ko COVID-19 la nyimano nyimfem ko bebe jurumari hansay lastly they
brought mu adverse report led
million le kasara molu bulu melon ko be kerine ibe doku wala ibe la place
hambe wala but sa mo na parliament men ka depansi roke alman farm positions because e kam même fo ala moro coming ha ngatu mansia but not for action okay moli yaje hanandre me support but coming aliye few action on for example the opposition side of the house coming aliye action on kele men support do beji like Russian oil scandal of course yes. NRP
law someone
yo aliye dol alfana opposition alfana dol kala min ya lon ko few actions that were supported before.
Yes.
AKI for example
AKI,
na
exactly.
na opposition
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because nga fenko leke emergency session na wale keno extraordinary session because man pare no but kabiri nga sign they don't have any other way except to push and nga men fanon for wale ko reaction is more onto our issues than action. Because muna nango fo ni hakilo ba kan you've been following issues of assets of Jammeh. Ameta you've been following it. A following caller over 3 years since 2022. Now you been telling lines of questionnaires. A beka ke wati. Parliament from Fasitambulu, the majority from Fasitambulu. Even the government, ila minister men kana wal fon ka fo Fasitambulu. But then defananko, I am going to hold it. But now you look at this. It is only you see this is coming for Walenko. We are there for the interest of Gambians. It could have been from the people. Deputy, heck, look, this guy is asking these questions. But the ministers are not answering. Can we take a stand towards this? But now, it is only your report, your investigation report. What do you call trigger? I banko mamandi. Amanda nje itela mamandi kola. Dini wala fana wulta association of form wala fana konyako. Mustafa reporto ntol nyante ka kuwolo nyinko. Kabiro oketa sa maka wala keta de. Maka mbabe nketa I can tell you ntolu as the oppositions we wanted to bring on the certificate of Fenko emergency kaitenduko we call this Kajeko is a national thing. Then we constitute this. Nkame for anything. Ndefa wala for majority leader. We are planning and we are going to do this. Jato, umar jato ni anyini ngaba aba fole. Yara bandela ofo ate a chance. Atara fat electoral survey ko he is calling for an extraordinary session. No problem. Amanjari nyo sabakutu. By the Sambana is good. Now Sambana will hit them very hard. Atola mansakona le tinyaro. Thank God you brought that tinyaro, wanyaro, abe lankeme, then we'll form a committee.
So that means niajibe parliament ka alaka dol kenon. Anandra politiko be tiarim parliament. Success story fana bijet.
Very well.
And a success story mean wala kanale nali ya push ke. Anytime.
Yani amanga ndol damati de. Ndol damasi push no. But ni koma nkol fana. Yani kol be nyame.
Ke fana encourage no because for example a lot of many very critical members of the parliament right now. Samba Jallow Bijele.
No, well they are there for the Gambia.
Seni, they are all NRP members.
NRP
they are part of the coalition.
No, NRP but a protocol, parliamentary setup. Member be a melonko, tonya be damned. They belong to the government, but they have interest of the government. So the interest of the country at heart. And the amount for Womoli, Sambanyol, and Inseni. Look at even their line of questionnaires. Line of how they do things, line of their debate. Eka lonko, a mantra ila poso ye. They are there for the country. But don't be melonko. Even the minister na man tonya for ya criticize. You see them supporting the minister in the floor of parliament.
So ngani Auditor General la call dol jibe. So for example ni nata aside from ngamem follow jibe walen altura kadapen siroke al mammendi mansakunda la kate ka tamandi ka kodo bondi e kana mural kan ko tan kala ka budget do pass.
Very well.
You know?
No walen because
yeah because
adimita because ne ajube wakame ita ni walen ko.
Because budget no lualet.
Exactly.
Budget is
Allah budget pass. Come in kamen jube walen ko. Ka budget of our pass amanna fa so to say. That's literally because now they are pass or ama pass on intol futa da kai. And again,
redesign.
Yeah, redesign faye. Me along kaman na so nyinna kudi me along. I think the utmost now is on us. And I intefanang wal fa me kan to wala dadi me along ko as minority in the house. Mbe ofanon jube nga buludo jube ni ake kutu me along ko anin silo manta whether we'll also be able to work another way. Me along ko se maka wanke kaita ni mole ko. Tilimbali ya inside mol kanyanda tilimbali.
Ita ability audit report wonyum fon kanje because you know kodi jamal kodi bal before kande.
Nyel Mustafa nte I'm even shocked to this country and you know ntola banko ni audit query men ka fenke because inata fo jay ko baro ko nyaade ako audit mu nyaade lati fo
opinion
it's an opinion but opinion me ala ko
adama di ngona jer
yes ñi manke jeri nyaada mate ñi mu kule de me ko e ka fax le on art ya lande tableau on reconcile account muna da ma reconcile missing receipts muna na receipt man na pour ya je ko ne de ko ye 1 million la ta receipt man tare ye ka isan ko 1 million ya dépense nyama you understand for example ye mon muta you say fishing vessels yol muta with huge amount of melanco inyende ka men tax 9 will be fen there's nowhere that is tracing kaiten ko ha nyin kilingo nyin nyine jota nyin kilingo
but over million
jamale moti so ba nyina nyin mukule di melanco it's not about opinion it's about auditor nyin e kamel on art e mam pare pour ka banko dema kaiten ko do nyi e bonan wala ay clair adunta damento jumanyo leata anda kete nyamillet so ñin nan ko di melon ko if you don't have a serious government that is under its feet of accountability abe kwali ala bake pour ñi gain soul make and you respect some of those opinions balafa wara badal and is the way things are going is skyrocketing because now you be 2021 from fenko unreconciled items amounting to over 5 billion and 2 billion from what receipts and payments respectively from 2019 to 2021. So 2 billion on one more receipt the payments already, but from manje. So now just look at about 5 billion. Melanco wo mon man kala long kwalto 2021 la report. But near Jaime wo receipt la carola melanco mem receipt la kur melanco joro la carola. What other for almost 2 billion. So 2 billion on receipt from 2019 to 2021. So imagine now sign. Wo auditor can men query. Wolle did they provide the receipt? No. Muna they man provide. What are they hiding?
Black Sand Royalty.
Exactly. So Black Sand Royalty when you jube different kumbo wala fam. Eka kumbo wala back because all these are issues melonko. Sometimes it different ka ko ha.
But all those fana fong la fong ma na kola yala mansa kundambulu. Because for example nibe o fong investigate ka buketa wati jamala. Because Black Sand ka export nyimbanko kanja. Kenya fingo me ka export. President of la la party when Sava supporter Abubakar Jawara be kanum gachi. Well, nil after la shipping agencies ibe information on tara on level.
Very well.
Umbanto ye ila either la shipping agencies or customs. Or Gambia Ports Authority.
No, imam pare because ni ajube all nyin kolu e kamel be ngaba. Akamata ko ite mun na friend ye do ko din na ite mun na friend ye do ko din. So in order for it na call on arka ite no ha you are a friend but nga do ko de ba do ko yin friend ya manta. E be ko kede they still maintain the friendship. Wala kanyim backs la sol sambanang kuolto on successful accountability.
But say ye do ko men fana fon dite la moro. O fon dite la ila fente banku fengo la. But
say banku fengo in the fact
because president no mantra do ko la family wala friends banku la ata opposition olu dol be jewul ma support dol be jewul ya support dol be jewul ma like dol be jewul ya like tebe do ko la mobile bari mobile ko dol so wo friend ya ta to ko di
no but ya membe keri
mo friend ya va esamba janna
an ya membe keri o koto ni atra sa friend ya ta nyin koto munat na among on art nyin nem problem not
maybe I say ya sometimes also interest funa ka trajera ikantala inte la kiskisiro ko no ngakufulaje eka moje politician akam contract ko di mola o akam support contract ko I'm not in this case mantra president or politician or
politician
so is as a contract ko di mola not because o ka kodole diala but because o ka supporter le joy ke nyinae aka invest ala political kun o ka kel do fana aka contract ko di mola because aka boosting down la diala du o ka soto
akasodole no wala nkonte because nyin ku jobi yo ni aje invitation sorry ni aje makambabu kama mama woto give me contract I will be at your back keeper for example these are clear evidence we put this to Barrow kadiyama when Barrow was not the president was he able to build the story building that he has in Mankamankunde and how much was his salary? Even if currently, how much is his salary to build that magnificent study building? If you go to Manka, it's just like need Idunda, Ebeduna Madina.
But of salary according to records that are available publicly. Ala fata Janika former president Janika la remuneration or someone before.
Hani wala fata minister for when they came. Yara wala na Mustafa.
But I'll tell you how big a budget or I'll tell you because budget or Kalafa.
Hanemena, most of the issues don't be.
Because
salary increment.
Emolument soul for na dolbeje dola emolument soul will statutory ibela lual lelko.
No, well, because it all kabiri nada when they came 2016. Yeah, fun I. Yane wala nan coming for it. Jamme Bondo. I can tell you, and evidence is all over. Jamme Bondo amanke konde are serious in reform. One, Jamme Bondo is envy. Jamme envy le.
Coming our turn to it for. Coming our turn to it. Coming.
No, for example,
as a tara more for now, many are genuine.
No, the problem is genuinity. Genuine. Not a genuine BJ. You could have seen genuinity in the progression of this government. I'm telling you this because, for example, ite nada. Hali fasala kafole. Ntol kabri nada. Ngamenje wale ngo kungonyi membije webo. The rest we are not interested. This is from them. And kabri nada fana. Afonya yeluwa jumale falling that would suit the aspiration of the Gambian people.
Well, you don't attempt le barialo.
Wale jumalje.
Coming Constitutional Review Commission.
And the voluntary, well, you are just for the sake of doing it. Because the problem is, you set a constitutional review and you pay them millions. At the end of the day, you are the anchor of it.
But Dobe setra no jambe na bondi kurome alongwa a genuine for country yaje but tumando atamang system influence come kwa kata no nyame atamo influence.
But the problem is, for example, ne ajube abondo. Let me just learn this. Na da ngafo envy wole nko ye jamme jube ya fenke. I don't know envy ka fo nyaani mande ka kanwala.
Come ka
kilia alemu. Nye men so don't different binanga osoto. No soto. Because for example, Barrow when he came less than 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, he built a mansion. So more men go 22 years for former manya naka bunsoto. Secondly, modijeli yemensa.
By ma for jamme manya naka bunsoto.
Hani no ya for muna nanga ofo. Je. Ni atara e mafo. Mustafa, as a colleague nyawnya was jamme taken to court in any form, was jamme taken to court, charge and also shown ko anyin tilimbali yake ya jail wala they seize this.
Hani your commissioner like
well commissioner nying is just like forfeiting. How do you go on the you forfeit something me ngo defa malong. And now we can hear the testimony of Batambidu. It will form malong moto nying play no for ya jemele tamlo for jamme tante. I am telling you arms and ammunition not all for you commission mon membije. If they reach that end that would be the volcano.
No
Wolle
arms. Well, arms and ammunition sinte found la kiskisiro mon futa auto follow. But they along jetol fana benu.
Meme na wolle play no. You hear Batambidu testimony. Akwa di wada wamenta da Germany. Ama along for Natale.
Colombia.
Famanna.
Omanna.
So now who?
The found ni wal diam via email.
So you see the problem whether we have somebody in government
because I'm not a party to this.
So now let me tell you one thing. Do you know whether somebody somewhere in this sitting government who is controlling and getting the revenue from the side of government?
Coming, of course, yen sabaka bonde audit report over. Mbe menna coming ngain client den semuru audit nyi. Mbe menna coming most tara no jele. So for example, ye jamela assets so forfeit menna forfeiture menke. The argument was that Jame had unexplained wealth. So essentially what that way men feeling well ko coming ye sort of men soto ye tinyaro menke wala siate sort of fengoti. Ya faham. So nim kumu sign wato wala sort of fengo be batale bulle.
You understand?
Wala logic nyin.
And the logic now
is come ni baro come ya lete be mem fo kan. Ila logic nyin is unexplained wealth. Wala ngalia wala bondi Anti-Corruption Commission Act ko. Explain wealth.
No ito liya wala bondi. Ntol ma bondi de.
Hani barali bibe.
Hani ntol fanang because membije ni mol ko wol fon do fran kana nga seniyandi because now parliament mo bulu windro lete ndol ko woy tuje idol ko woy bondi je
nga carte fay ni wo beje ni mbaro bondi tan num al tol bital na ba kisi le bital do ala salary tablet and ala order income you know
because they also do it for the purpose the majority ya lon ko ibe tilimbali ya menna ni wo dunta ko kono ibe tunen nan
because ya lon unexplained wealth anti corruption investigation no sono yande e kela soto fengola jibe yana ibul kono fengo jibe yana je ko ite ko do men biete bulu fo ite la salary se ñin soto no wala
bar sa han nata for example ni to nata ila fa tilingoni toñala number 1 ñanda ka jube jamme ay safin jelleke ala soto fengo jellemo anaka jelle an yul be muto equate han nata be doyala isaje ko ha ñindo kanama bara jamme la samato imaw damale ma na dondi ko Mustafa
samato o fama ma dara samato
hani ko le foy
men ko no tata
hani men na hangalo ne kamen foy de dol bijele
ani men tata
hani men tata ma wolle ma but the
Gambia
you understand so now you are now saying this man has nothing you be forfeit but now you are now anchoring millions and destroying millions and now inviting your own friends and families to become rich businessmen in this country
bar mam balan ko moving forward tinyaro men tekitaw da tambita hapola mam balan
because I come men bije fa ne ajube commission la carola ite ko be ila faka tilingo ni tonya la fa ite fa involve ko kono ila sunkutolu ila lofa no le yol ko dundi ko kono
ani no commission on hindsight ni lo to jibe ro koma
no hi yale mi jang e mata no yale Mustafa ndol ka men fo mole yale ni mo be fenk tonya kan nyin ko be tata nata angalem envy lemu ngata nga nyapin kan look at what by say presso which presso it are no ko man you are the most informed person in terms of law inye da kamuneke jojo e kudo pa ite nya ko mama ndara men je wolem ko all this call ni abe hay men nyona men nyanda ka ke imawleke now they have not taught ko a commission in a commission
so yalon coming ku fulala bijang so the issue of Jame and Jame la leadership and men happen that Jame la leadership oba fanwe so nyunu fana na ye menke Jame fana la fengol la onin kumu ye menke banko la fengol la because
banko fengol la because
in this case ya tale ye menke banko o fana mo afanjon crime le fana ba fanwe
exactly wala nan gole fo ko to gamen duwa sai nyunu ye bore
tebe ku folol bole kan
no man ku folol wole de yane other issues of crime and whatever TRRC or fole jane commission man get TRRC I don't know whether you understand
economic
I understand coming from but that economic ye men haima ko tinyaro men kada wo economic monu wala fana nata itunenda wo na
bare wo sai wo fana mo afansun crime da fanwe
bare ko le fo bare bu ko buka pare ko crime ni yitande moli ko crime
ne siri ngola kundo sai
ani nyin sio Mustafa tonya be lankere men ko bedo nyin sio amanke sawoti mo nyanda kalon nyin sio manke sawoti de number 1 we've been asking for 3 years ibe deri ida report on na dinuwol wulta banko malata banko la malola yati nay ko sa alwakile nyinkede nton ko we wanted to initiate this to call on an extraordinary jato nyininka ndara ndela nga for majority nga ko we are working on this ako no atada dunda tap finding
I told say near GB I mean Jame me caring kanilaya and other places
and now let me tell you nte I communicated with Jame before or whatever in a political whatever kacha kele
Jani ke tombong for before after
no within parliamentary process you understand but another ante damante if I am Jame by now ndani nyum man sakunda setulta
nini setulta
court
but sai okay sai but Jame phone na man publicly dia on asset
hanin ka wala fayete ko asset ko kay to yata we damendo among public dia
muna na Jame fana public
and maybe he's waiting for the right time
but yamira fana after moli yalon ko nyim fengol fana be matal
and do you know whether Jame also has another plan B towards waiting for this commission I pare yani
but as a plan B sort of but plan B nyang asafo no la na moto be jana na fenko be jana
ani jamme
because atase commission of ma ko ino
hani memenna as a commissioner ma ko no but now he may also have his own way kaitendo ko let me just wait the outcome of the commission will determine my next step. I'm not speaking on behalf of Jammeh, but until I joya mira rodo nga mira ko he's also waiting for his best.
But anana man asset kumo fo
no ntol ka en diam na asset ko
ite na ate
we talk even at the party level
no meme na ate found
at the party level ntol within the executive na flow la Carola ka même bumbaite
ka mahani ko
publicly we don't it's not public
ma fo Jammeh ni ma fo mbete ni Jammeh la o Jammeh ni modo ka diamu ala fengo la kuala
Jammeh la nyimfengo la kuoto. You remember there was a time that I pushed if I could get power for Tony. You hear a publication I meant for them towards pursuing this case. To women I've done no. What was it? Investigation from Mambande. This was a time but he also, I can tell, I don't want to reveal that. He also have his own plan that he want to lay.
Oh, okay.
So I can bet that because Kacha Menketa, he will tell you what he is. I don't want to reveal like I tell you. Ala plano munyineti. He will also have his own plan. Ala saka kuol Kenya. But defra ngaje ko ntela joya mirarodo na kita nun 10. This is me. Because if it is given to me by now, it could have been a settle of the past. By now, mansa kona doni mi debita kan kitiola. Because ye membe tilimbali ya menki kuodo money neta wakela kuolto. This is our wealth. Ye mem for itol. Ntola na aflu amanka Jammeh society. Ntol so ntol fana ma no ba kon na aflu banku be fengole. Even Alabama la account ya be freeze he wasn't given back. So you see how issues are. And again, membije wala ndeka mem for mole presence of kanakata. But even our own home in Kanila is a military base, ancestral land. So you see all these are issues me alonko what for na ajube hakilima moka
but I could jamal for na dundu odula to ko I could jamal dundu to ko
ha kodo ka dundu
fe ngotale buli ko e kodo tinyaro ke men tambite la soto fe
ha bar sai wo tinyaro nyi hayme jumale keta false hayme role keta because the day equate come yeme for tabulating Jammeh salary tabulating his years of service tabulating his earning kaitendo okay based on this we have arrived at this anga wala nyilol samana because namangeno angati ete tinyaro kere ga kanya mente
no tinyaro okay so tinyaro yalo come musal fe nta kamem fo come kafo ko mulu fe mbamantili ya mulu fe mbamantili mulu dia mulu sia mulu land kuma di mala sia
wala be kere
aber tilingu mandia yo yalon kuma dima fo diata bar tilingu mandi
kam to nyaade
yo so wo bejele wo ba fa wene bar ku wala ku flanjawat bar ku folo mo menti wala le hay marote ko to li men tara ko Jammeh bulo dunta kono mi safo mu tinyarol wo tatale fo $1 million keme saba million taworo ani ngamira fula yajen so niyo jibe Jammeh la total investment o tambita
but now
Jammeh la total wealth
wom to nyaade but now
dol tata ko $1 billion
but now the problem is o masingo e même for kanaje mineralo e même for e dol samba jana how many millions
I mean scanner 2 million
inene o moyle ba
scanner
ani memenna inene
ko kumtala mo la
ba memenna sai inene o moyle it la commission about anything about scanner
mbe o nyini kan answer
so you see so now that scanner ni abondo koldo would Jammeh buy that scanner purportedly for his pocket aeroplane yinada ya yitando ko imalom for Jammeh tam for Jammeh tante do you know
aeroplane jate commission yo settle jate commission ko
ani dole
hani lulu njang woro njang wala benun kolom
jetolle arms and ammunition
so jeto wala nyanda taranu
you know the problem Jammeh for ko ajube fa Royce ye tilimbali am barola mansa ko ne tilimbali amenki Royce ni moto ya falling with these useless vehicles that they got from Senegal ñi mun nandiri baldi
customized Rolls Royce
exactly so ajube customize you mun na ko ni ayele rek akakumale whatever you do no Mustafa
custom built Rolls Royce
no. Nteda na membije wale nko I think it's high time for the opposition to wake up
abarsa almami ita fon yem bondi budget o kono sai ita fon la benyin ko fo kan ka fo ko ha molu fona silantale because mol nga memfo mbota men kono ten mol men biri nyunu nata oppositional nata wala le sita jamme noro yedante kuma jamal la to nya kuma jamal ko jambe men ke kam men man tasilola yo bari mol jikitela mol nata carte o dila sa idol fana nata kudo ke men ni fana ma ye memfo man ke kilimote sa mol sa di another emphasis ala ko oppositional nga kafu nyoma ko tan sa no fana kafta nyoma do sa fo wala mo bondirote ba
ara sa ndaka memfo ndela one way of analysis political lafta pour ni hatan falingo lafta pour falingo eka ndeka jube nyame maybe it may not go well with others mo membulo nota men kafuta in terms of leadership ma for militants ma for militant wala people de ma for Gambian ko de in terms of leadership 2016 mel tafawta towards change nkana wor tombo nga ke nyaton ko
alkana wor tombo but wodum for la be safe la because 20
hani it's as safe no do you know muna ngofo
adam na man contest ka kenyaton ko
hani nga understand kamen fo bon kamen fo wala ko
Mr. President Adam Barrow na man contest ka kenyaton ko before alani last contest ya jan Barrow Martin na ko li different
hani the problem membi je wala ko itafauta de ko they wanted change
but what change yake ideal American they have very good ideas
and this is where partisans not a j wala nanga wala fo wo nyaton kodo in terms of ma fo kana kafude but I mean in terms of momentum na we ke nyaton kodo yana Adama Barrow man kafu Adama Barrow was a UDP member I think a treasurer ya memfo you understand a strong treasurer akakol beke according to what they said before ndeka memfo wala ko let's bring a neutral person mele yaron ko Gambian be lala integrity ala fenkoto you know among bulanyin tajiriya anin kudoto mero ko ibato rek so ni waketa the oppositions will now join force then in that also you know we've also power called the vetting bill no I'm pass follow we are on the process so wofana in terms of ministerial and roles this is where they will come with agreements mele yanongos amanke kom ito lanyin fenkole menkede yana wala yake danko don ka bonde because halifa wala fa ko ntolo wato ngamemme nju wala aita bare femmal no mo
plano be jele de
ha plano be bara ko plano nyi man noma
allah man noma le bara
because muna dinna the chunk of the leadership then was a majority party that has a lot of say so kabili don nada fanansay e ñunul elbow
ha bare tilingo ni mol yem memfo mo tilindingol yem memfo e ka barawol yo sai e coalition or mistake ko ketale o tambita e kam memfo ko ala nga do ven nga do bondi nga do sindi Adama Noro nka wala fo sai wo selection process to be o kala nyaade because ite ka Gambian wol men jamal jejale ka fo independent they are think good minded strong minded people ni on kisi
ale yani no be sotolale yani ndaka
memfo wala sirim fenna kande
no I know be sirim fenna but jama balbe surface kan I'm telling you jama balbe surface kan melanko they've not enter into governance yana ko sore Gambian on we have good people
we have good
Gambian ko bibi ajata doye na sita nin kol manta be resign the example of the former IGP Kinte Faraba incident was not the command of Kinte but he was the IGP in order to exonerate kaiten do ko tilingo ni tonya ne kata he resigned but wama bali do ko wala wama bali to be recall again currently he is the chief of staff National Security Advisor's office because muna bije mol ba jube tilingo ni tonya men tamandi ko kan but I'm also telling you now the most of the Gambia ni akara mparete to put proper benchmarking insi most of the melon ko ate binato settle the ground banko be damendo sambe soto ka ground settle because ninyi manke
ka
tembendi because b ntel nga foye Mustafa if Adama Barrow won tatam na tatam win we are finished
but sai ka fo Adama tatam win we are finished what that meant ne Adama fana replace mola men jawe Adama to Adama fuse Adama o fana we are finished there
o fana we are finished but now ndefana kambe for moye
so sai
but now the problem
bondo fana
ani Adama bondo banya no wo fana bije wayan defan kambe for wolen ko abe kolela nyawa ya nyama I know governments they have learned lessons on 2016
morke fom mawlo mo on na jame birim be bora jame ko bi have learned lessons on the jame nko be wala kono te
no ani o mutere yani wol
there has been an improvement in some things
ani bari bari yani wol gaminol bukala mo yoroke num but jamme ya fole these hungry people albe men ngaba ka kan replace ni na rebe men kelalla and it's true jamme has said this
baro fana ku jamala ke jande
hani men na ani kawle ba ma fa man ku ke jande
ku ken na jamala fana
ma fa man ku ken ke jande because the failure men bije wolen ko yani Mustafa ni ko ita bina nyin purpose la a try kana deviate ñinol me tiñaro ko wolen ko itol ko this is what they wanted when they came force a constitutional falling
ye dante men na
exactly
o mantim
so kabri mantimma itol nada je ko yara fa ñing ko nin tol ko men timmandi la dola man sante mela jande simala ñine ka lida jamal batandi nin ko be ñin tilingo kela nde simala itol malon ko wolem simala la darjo fangoti biko hannade one time ke yesilo bonda ko eta pet everything woni toñata your name is there Mustafa dol bije in office e kana ka fe ko do you know what ndam not looking iba mela for ente mela but tilingo ni toña be wala tamandila so this is what they lack kabiri nata fanan a group mano they were scrambling secondly also arama baro fano membije mbe fero kala fano be kala president wodi nyaadile kuya nata kabiri kuya janjango nata ada fana mona raka do you know what ni lafta ka meja party lon
so sa altol no sa ni next fen ko altol no to alliance more bara altol le follow baranda sa the whole country is not to alliance sa UDP ni no to alliance UDP ni no to alliance for no to honorable abole NPP ni no to alliance fenke GDC ngalo wol fanade man fen sort of follow the bari
ya ndanga men fa mole wala ko yani when you look at this country the country become very interesting politically kabirin ko wol keda party janjanda party follow men janjanda wala APRC e man janjanda follow dollar bare in the middle de janjanda mune janjanda wala concepts mbita baroya ndol nim fa bakari there is no problem. People have to understand that we met even the National Assemblyman told Baker Cool, told La Haimaro Wellenco, Bekele no nyade, killing nyade. That is the wish of all of us. Hani told Fabakari and
APRC, Albe Killer no killing.
Ha, Memena. The wish of two of us, two camps. Wellenco Bekeno like killing the nyade. But as I was killing one ying, Wellen problem not.
But Morke. I told him Fawakar wol temu sang asabata bakaldi because Fawakar ite kanyi mansa kunda memvo ite ka fo mansa kunda men ko because baro mansa kunda la policy statement na puro ka jame prosecute so Fawakar cannot be loyal to jame and the same time be loyal to
hanen ka wala foyde yani the problem is the loyalty ka wala fo wala ko fenne mfata man of you understand
man fata sang
me en fata wala ko ndol ko ntel to tala baro ya ka join itol ko ibita baro ya join sign nin compromise be kala ntol je ya miraro wala ko mel bita kam baro e wala nyanta ka bol ya fa ko ntol sign nim baro manke kilinti ndol lafta pour kan na party dada yana sa when you move yourself from a coalition you are on your own yani you are standing on your own so ni do dey faye you'll be able to have that strong conviction either to align with another to challenge the incumbent or you tell the incumbent the truth your interests man of you understand coming for it yani behind that they say that we want to prosecute Jammeh, we want to do this to Jammeh, we want to do XYZ political them there but ni interest nada some of those issues may be compromised based on what interest but as our interest pura low yes sembo soto ya lon ko man hanyela Mustafa be parele kala de ni man pare ke de just Mustafa o man hani nga dara so de la Mustafa will come but when you show up right no do you know what I am a party I need structures I need to build I need to stand firm pour ya je kon defana political influence alati so ndol ka jele fo ni ntol be dakota wala ye na ke kelindi Barrow will dance to a tune or the opposition biggest political will dance to their tune together and they form something that will bring change into what will stabilize it will be la frame.
Now, by the time we change him for it, change him for having APRC UDP, GDP, all these guys into an alliance.
Ani bare
alliance complex them by.
Ani bare complex but the problem is Juma nene ya miracle 2016 alliance on men kado bekela.
Yes. But there were always attempts.
Hani memena attempt for years.
Attempts.
But what I'm also telling you also,
decades, yeah.
don't be surprised.
For 2 decades.
Mel bukala laran killing, silano laran killing.
Political because I'll tell you someone compromise can la end.
No one told come for them. For example,
and it seems to be the case that I'll tell you are fixed on Jammeh being the leader.
Yes. And
I'll tell you that is non-negotiable.
Yeah, the problem is je kachale ka kachawulu. Yeah, sometimes ni imantara moluka. It you just see in the surface ha ni molo. But when you be with them, compromise cannot. Nte politically, I can tell you, political gambela political side. Money neta for ko compromise the cannot. Hadn't we can still compromise onto issues melongo ngaje ko interest fanam bije. Political mu interest.
So what would you mind be interest drive like Jammeh or you people?
No, we are with Jammeh. Jammeh leads. We move the negotiation. So whatever we are going to do now, he will also be in picture. I don't know ni Mustafa be kaja kanade. But nyin.
So Jammeh be negotiate. What Jammeh?
No, it's not about Jammeh. Yeah, I'm saying it is.
Every day Jammeh is sacking people.
No.
Me and men come over our sack. I feel like Fenke sack. I have him here.
Yeah.
Last week. No. Bakari
Baji.
Yes.
Hayana Bakari
just wanted to be president.
Yeah, and I remember Olenko. Yeah, these are issues. For example, to be candid, Bakari is a colleague.
Yeah.
I'm often told you about plan.
No, he told me that.
Exactly. But definitely come for Olenko. For me, nte can na pull you bed. Jammeh, through his name, we were selected as a defined group into Funyis. That has to be known to everybody. Because finances, Hanara Doyata, it is not an alliance, that group together, we call it. MP London Dulado, a councillor London Dulado, based on a common goal. With Jammeh's influence and Jammeh discussion. And do you know all of us, we fill the form. Now undertaking can assign, we will be loyal to the structures, the party, Jammeh, and also not to alliance principles. Yes! Motar ko jabe ne chancellor akumanda jang, he'll give you all those forms. Every MP la mwede. Because the reason why I will not do that. My consent will not give you. If I'm to resign, I'll just ask for you. I'm no more an MP. But I cannot betray them because you know what? We went to primary. Just like a normal party there. We are not a registered party, but we formulate as a normal structured party. In Fonyi Kansa, we went to primaries. Primaries as selection, okay, we fill a form, don't have 4 more sending our sang. And the documents on the passport side, we fill it. The executive of the constituency went and vet. They selected me, and they went to the region. Region also selected, agreed onto the selection of the executive in the constituency. Then attached to the national executive. Kabini national executive selection of Beke. Then they prepare a list.
For no to alliance as a national executive.
Yes.
Okay.
I am telling you, Yana Molu, they are misinterpreting some of these issues. We're not a party, we're not a registered party. But Noto Alliance, I can tell you, since 2016-17, we are third in terms of political structures. Political numbers. We are third, UDP. NPP, UDP. Apart from that, Moti may Noto Alliance in terms of MPs, in terms of ward councillors. Party GDC, all these are dead parties against us.
That does not.
No, what I'm just trying to tell you.
Does not equate with the numbers.
No, the numbers. I'm telling you the numbers.
But Ali constituency mentioned it's centralized.
No, that's centralized. We are talking of the whole country, like quality results by IEC.
You mean the
independent electoral commission in terms of councillors numbers and in terms of votes.
After the parliamentary.
I want you to tell you.
You mean this. During the parliamentary?
In presidency, until we joined with Mama Kande, and we came third.
Yes.
NPP.
100,000 plus.
Yes, NPP, UDP, and GDC. But Kabiri told Mama Kande bota. Mama Kande vote the whole country electional, parliamentary, the whole country election, local government, the whole country elections, ward councillors. Until let's see Mama Kande. I want to give you this understanding. Come here, Jammeh reason of sacking. Because the problem is, Ntole Agrita, we fill the form. A former senator. And it's labeled there no to Alliance Babylon Mansa. The principles, loyal men bigé, there are checks. Then people will attest unto you. Italy Jumade, Italy Almameti. Yo fana wo mo fana mengo undertaking ila kuo, wo fana mba safela je. Then you submit it to your constituency executive. Your meeting back commande, they go on primary. Near select, it will endorse based on XY. This is the reason why Almame select. I thought of the regional. Until we are in West Coast region, we have a regional executive. Well, Fana will sit and validate what the constituency meant because it will come in for all and call. Ning constituency selection okay. You know, how to go regional executive. It is so back because it will mantaraji. Because they believe what obtains and the constituency, it will be carte file. Jamme Fana mem for all and call in Jamme's message. Kabjani election been a ko. Ning constituency men tombong alkana fit noke. Alkana do samana melon ko atol executive member sirin jana atol le bakala ko ntol be karle tombona hani it has to start from the grassroots because the grassroots will be the people who will vote because ako man la fi failure soto ni grassroots ko teng atol ko teng abe problem soto la kabi okeda it go to the region then executive finance sita with the recommendation of the region so the constituency and the region it finance then now they tabulate in Fonyi council mo nangam la apply but ñin la soto based on this ñin na ate yin choose regional fanan ko the messages then you scan they send those documents to Jammeh. I'm telling you this, it has to be very clear for people prove more than
scan Kasenai. So Jammeh is effectively
no, I'm telling you yes. That's the bottom line. We are the more money na kasosoroke yana if genuinity
so but tombo wala quarter sa Jammeh muna photo
hani sa kabiri oketa let me just complete this. So kabiri you oketa I am telling you ni mo ko Jammeh a sack. I am trying to connect Munea Tina Oketa.
Aniko, Jamela in Sako, Bakari Sako.
Anila Moy. Ila Moy.
I will tell Alota Kar of the Capers.
Anila Moy coming for it. I'm not talking about Bakari Ole. What I'm just saying to you is, it was sacking them. As MPs Mbewalade, Ndole Fandundi, Jamela Quoto. In our constituency, we feel the founder Jammeh said, yes, feel it. We buy it. We send a nomination phone call. We went through the process. Jammeh there. Wale ya approve ko Almame kare atole bekele na MP up to Umar Kole up to Kombo here. You know, Kombo not Kombo whatever. All these MPs will be. About I think how many number 19 or whatever. I cannot remember the actual number. Apart from Fonyi, 16 or 19 or 17. So they send all those lists. He endorsed and send back. Then we make a meeting call in Fonyi Council Almamelem, in Fonyi Jarol Tumanilem, in Fonyi Bondar, in Fonyi Jis, in Fonyi Binta, Karilem. So this is how we move. That's the ideology that we have control munyenetic. So if Nita Kosano, you are going against the ideology, the person will say that you are no more me.
Yes.
This is the bottom line there. Nte Bakari is a friend, we do together, and even currently, we stand for the truth. But I'm coming for a more people should not misinterpret Jammeh. Jammeh did it for the people. We gave ourselves to Jammeh. Agree his principles, agree his philosophy, agree whatever the sex that he has in the ground. So the best that you could do is go to your people. For example, now that me, I wanted to move. I've got a 4-year councillor. This is my aspiration. But therefore, based on because not for more sang.
Yeah, but Bakar did that. From what he said.
No, he didn't did that. Bakar told us, you don't consult anybody. The executive,
in the region.
The executive and the constituent, yana process lebije.
I cannot find a more diameter in the constitution.
That region, yana regional damalema authenticate. I am just telling you the structures.
Yeah.
For example, now let me tell you this, Mustafa.
So the entire structure should have approved it.
I went and knee to my people in my constituency. They approve it. Amanda Njede, it went to the regional. They approve it. It went to the executive. They approve it. And it went to Jammeh. I approve. Kabira Asamane. It will be a Cindy. Ask this question to anybody.
Okay, so here is the thing.
Yes.
Here is the thing.
Just
finally on this subject.
Yes.
So, signing you left a killer mansat. Afana left a killer president, for example. Does he need Jammeh's blessing for that?
No, the problem, not tell him. If it is me, I'm not talking about him. He may have his own thinking. If it is Minatrante, I want to be a presidential candidate. To be a presidential candidate, it's not only Fonyi cancer that will support me. But I am a blood love and a base for Nkakumazel. Charity begins at home. Nina mol be silale. Ntede, yine na hamote. If it is me, Nathan tell him what I'll do. Nina mol sita ngafo ha. Ntede, kabirin solo da palasola atole ako teng. Natal kan. But yine na miro rote. I'll go to the regional based on the structures in Tata Nyam and the way I climb. Then I'll go to the executive night and the I'll come over and the jamme. This is integrity. Ite.
But yalo jamme fana ba fo kan the kata murna na murna president. So nimbaka fana tata kata after president.
And the problem now is not an tell him.
Jamme bajira ka challenge.
And the problem now is yana kuma for balia. You never know. Nobody will predict not a phone jamme ba fly thing. Yeah, you cannot tell that. Because they can for moya as a human being. You cannot kununa. That process, if it is me, BBB didn't tell us a presidential candidate. I'll follow the exact process. I follow Jamela. If I approve, then I can make my independent decision. Ko ha toyato nyame damendo ndenu jukal ketale. Itolle ake enkita nyamente. But aside, ndefanande I have informed Ko higher one day. But now the dependence of yes or no will depend on me, not him. But I am sending a message across through the processes that I was taking to be chosen and be recommended by my people. Do you know on the love phone? Let me tell you this. How to call it? Mustafa. In Fonyi, we use Jammeh's name to campaign. We have independent candidate Mel Loda. Because the reason why Jammeh you cannot equate Neo Bondi, it means you've not did the right thing based on the way Inara Nyame.
But what ako?
No, honey,
Baro was saying to use like campaign work about
honey, remember, honey, honey, am I using no,
campaign work at
all. Campaign you saw to demoralize Kabilitul
almost 2021 net 2017.
Yo, now Neo use. What I'm just telling to tell you is.
But in other split.
Honey, remember.
Baro nata keno found some political. Animality.
No, understand. But I'm coming for in Fonyi. We have partition melora, APRC loader tombo. There it will loader in Fonyis. Ndola Fonyi be. GDC fan loader. I think Aneminto, UDP, UDP fan loader in Jarole. You understand? But on tolu, independent of fan loader. Ni independent na de ka fa no nyimanka Jammeh la mol ila moy de nyimu APRC tombo la moleti nyimu UDP nyimu baro la moleti. This was how we got votes based on regionalization in Fonyi. It has to be very clear to people there. And momo me was soso bile about soso. If for example ni ndebe num Fonyi kansala Jammeh manke fenti, I'm not answerable to Jammeh, man Jammeh fenke ndemande um fansun quality, you will not win election. You will not win. All the 5 Fonyis. Dipitel bete lolo 5 Fonyis or bete lolo ka iten do ko. Lo mene Mustafa Tombong. Ndenga ta Fonyi kansana rally. Do you know what? Jammeh manke fenti. The Jammeh support la. You know, the la agenda. This one, the la agenda. You will not win. You cannot win. Our successful victory of winning, they aligned themselves to Barrow. Well, Fabakari la mold. Because when Fabakari loaded down and NPP my lord, the NPP were supporting Fabakari based on the compromise of the alliance. But when we go to campaign, we use Jammeh's slogan. We promote Jammeh. We talk about Jammeh. And we talk about ourselves.
So wala na Fabakari la molma win.
Wala na Fabakari la molma win. 100%.
Baranko, okay, saying fana almame. Nkaje political kono. I mean, why do you think that's the case? Like Fonyi at among any other alternative sort of other than Jammeh?
Yeah, maybe you will go. It's just
Dalola what?
Dalo number 1.
But 22 years Jammeh can president.
Ilamo 22 years. 22 years while he was a president. I can give you this example. I can also ask you this question again. Why was Chiang still Jammeh Taimo till date is a noble UDP base area? mulu elata menna and the concepts ya jenyame ya view nyame abe kole ala po mulu bondi kolto is the same replica that is reigning in Fonyi. I can tell you this until we were young. When we were young, when PPP was there, but Alkali game you can campaign to Fanan Katale. We are not that young. We know Alkali game is game. We know some of these MPs, Eastern Fonyi, Western Fonyi, Melanco. It was just like two Fonyis. You know, Henry Jamenyol, NCP. You understand? It was difficult. When Jammeh took over power, it was difficult from our dads. Ndela mama fanga fa kontal mu jawra la molede ñin kambano mem mi jow mu fengo kiditi ko du molede ñi Jammeh la molede ñi Jammeh juma Jammeh ha na fo ni molende baron tol jawra la mu even if jawra la man sakunda tatale I am telling you this but kabira nata Jammeh works on the mindset of people itande ko tende nde mal fan sunnati
nde mal fan
nde mal fan wallet so kabira okeda ko na da fa yom fata. But now, if you are asking this question, why is it that people are still following Jammeh? Dalolem, I know we don't see any other alternative. So far, the current status quo is concerned. Melson told Nyafita no. I am telling you from the grassroots.
Society amera.
The grassroots more coming for it. Melson Nyafita no sign.
Fonyi Nyafito. What does that constitute?
Well, number one.
Muna kunta okono.
Terrorizing the current status quo be wala Fonyi.
What I mean.
The occupancy. Because Mojama le fata. Senegalese on the Juma le fata. Selon ne malani.
But soldier will be here.
Soldier minde.
Fonyi was still one of the most militarized.
So Fonyi was never militarized in Jammeh's time. Do you know why? I can tell you this, Mustafa. It was a guard within a guard. State House. For example, the main state house in Banjul. Jammeh has a compound in Kanilai, a residential area. Or another second state house.
Second state house and also a military barracks.
No, I'm not a military barracks there.
Yeah, but there is military presence
there. Kanilai was never called a military barracks.
Yeah.
Kanilai was called the home of the former president.
Because
so that home, Melbe State House, the routine in State House is the same like in Kanilai. It was only ni Sojaro be Siala. I'm telling you, ni Sojaro be Siala. Wala ni wato mena Jammeh BJ doku wala whatever. But na banta auto. Sojaro buka just like a battalion as we are having. I'm telling you this. So men BJ wala nko militarization is started in the current state. Do you know what? We have two main, straightforward checkpoints. In Kanilai, it's called 4th Infantry Battalion now. When anyone saw Jammeh la wato, we have to clear this. Media more fana ya lonko. I hear the people. Before Kanilai was Sojaro be why are they denying that? No, it was not a barracks. It was a home of a president called the guard. Just as Manka Mankunda, they are guarded. Would you call Manka Mankunda 6th Infantry Battalion?
But Manka Mankunda la situation. I mean, Kanilai had a lot of military presence. I was there.
No, the problem is that military, we have to equate this.
Because Kanilai Mamera soldier for I only know a police station there, Manka Mankunda. Mamera soldier will be dead.
Yeah, let me tell you the tactics member here. You see a military base, they have a military garrison now. It's coming.
Okay.
And Manka Mankunda so Jarol be there guarded.
Honey would Tambita Barrow would be a former president, most likely would be resident there.
But now do they occupy as they occupy and changing the house, Jammeh compound to a military barracks? We have to equate this because let me just help you.
Okay, so sign. Okay, sign. Kachala Sudia Kamala. So sign coming here kwenye movement wala military role siande Kanilai.
One, Jammeh military role. Natra wada malem. We will not complain. But secondly, Jammeh for the Kanilai aselemo be damendo. It is no Kanilai famo. Biamu domine batong
yes, Kanilai ni kofta ebetaka.
It is a barracks of foreign occupancies.
Ibota kamfenda.
We do na Kanilai. Yeah, Jammeh la o fenko how to call social security estate obe damendo. JB mo Senegalese la sojaro le. Ye Aruna Jata fa woto. Ebe damendo. This is where they killed Aruna Jata. Ni bod na Ita Buyang. checkpoint o melon ko fana mu military garrison not with weapons that you cannot even imagine or fana maybe. So now you have ila moida amanke fonyi da made. Amanke the entire fonyi kansala. How many military base? 3. 2 are foreign. 1 is Gambian owned. Why?
But we cancel out on that.
Abe cancel
Dobe safo fana ko almami. Nyame fana is issuing threats all the time.
Threats nyade.
Abafala binala.
No. But ya say. Ani bala say.
I mean, ni be fana fo ka moro. Say mol be fana be muneka.
Ani ila mo say. I want to tell you, you are investigating journalist, Mustafa. When did those base starts?
Obesol.
But
Jame tarin kola obesol.
Immediately. A week of them.
Yalo soldier role fana fon jame la kole sija.
Hani soldier juma?
Senegal economic soldier role.
Hani jame la kuwe sijang.
Jame la katite bola.
Hani no jame me fasena relde. Jame boring kola. Nga media clarify jang. Jame la boring kela ni soldier role nata.
No hani de yalo soldier fula le biji.
Ibe all han soldier role ma fa Gambian soldier role de foreign forces jamela bojang kola le nata
yalo jamela boring kola le nata
dala ko je sen
wayata hani de waya jamela taroje negotiation be ke kan time o mimbela wayata ra ñun yo 1 week plus kele be bodato
mindo
no be Senegal.
Thank you. Clarify
because
that. Let me tell you one thing.
Bialo itinano atra former jame base banko kan. But what are they assembled already?
Meme na ila assemble mu fake leti.
Ani assemble.
Let me tell you one thing. Do you know? No, yani assembling. Mustafa, we have to understand the geopolitics. Dunia la politiko katama nyame.
Assemble was just to persuade Jame to leave. That's all.
So that assembling, Jame said hell no to the assembling. This was what heralded to a negotiation.
No, na ko famde. Comme mbe menna ni aja foreign forces all assembled for other countries. It was because ko nyim kuma asta Jamela balangon la ka fonte tita.
And Balsai, let me also ask you.
Jamela balango kola and foreign force.
And Jamela balango fana is all cooked politically with the international ECOWAS nala kafudungwel including Macky Sall.
But moro Jamela balango moma force ona.
Hani ila mo nkamem fo de Mustafa. Election is not a football match. Do you know the country, natra country be malala no. IC le malarok.
Na IC malarok.
Yeah, one, you say the results this day. Konyina results. 2-3 days time, you have an error.
Ito fonga halon Jambi okay.
Hani.
Jambi result.
No.
On the spot counting.
No, I'm
on the spot counting.
Yeah, let me tell you one thing. The referee, let's agree on this. In as much as issues of election.
No, refereeing wala issue, it's a whole kettle of fish altogether.
Hani, amantara fangwede. Because the problem, Mustafa, election on Jumale ka validate.
I see. But halon tonya fana mutu.
Hani ibatu ba ni IC validate election la. IC na validate election la. Wakola inada je ko na error la sort la carry instead of this results nyina jamme ko but in fact something is fishy. You are saying that, but now I reject the results.
Hani. Almama sa ajibe temba.
And let me tell you, IC chairman, I want you to go to the record. You are an investigative journalist. Go to the record. A referee of an independent electoral commissioner. Because he's happy that the dictator has left the country.
And you know,
immediately after political decline. Why would you say that? Then it means he's not transparent. He's not a justice.
On the spot counting,
but do you know that sport counting, even Serakunda was a mess?
Yeah, but Jame found authentic results announced. Member opposition or block.
Wanna?
Jame.
And what are the
results announced?
Jame announced it.
No, Jame, Birai announced Birai concession, okay. Concession speech.
When he agreed, I have loose. Gambian has decided. Yeah, even Gambian, they took it from Jamela's slogan. Kabringa announced at the hotel. I'm telling you, no one dispute about that. Jammeh agreed first. But
the result was accurate.
No, it was not.
IEC announced.
No, this was not accurate.
IEC wrong tabulation.
The result was accurate. kabiri ya announce I want you to go make your investigation Mustafa ya result be me announce when Jammeh accepted kabiri inada retabulate number reduced both sides of winning
hambe wala womu IEC la
but now if you say 5,000 Jammeh for example hani mama
womu IEC la wote oppositional bulu
hani memen
APRC fana bulu
hani memen na
IEC la excel wala mistake
hani memen na sign ni IEC me and for example when they said we could have got the results fine ibajira was dia musone ni IEC for example Jammeh got 40,000 Barrow got 50,000 for example I'm just giving an example. Then Jammeh agreed that yes, based on that Barrow win by 10,000 votes. D'accord. I see they have an error in tabulation and other issues. They reduced the result. Jammeh got 38. Barrow got 48. This is the results. Go and check.
Results be Jammeh bulu. Gra tabulation of APRC. Or results be oppositional bulu. One problem so IEC le mistake ko
na Jammeh fana your results may accept. I'm telling you this, I was following.
Jammeh be IEC la results la mistake tabulation mistake ko la court ka. Of course he came up with other incidents that happened.
No, a lot.
You know also election for Nabukata are incidents free.
All
oppositional could have counted other incidents. Ite amera fana Jammeh be sunya no la jana at that time the way they
no asisunya no
the way they say
no asisunya do you know what press of carry Mustafa geopolitics of Africa yana African in terms of leader and in the western powers ndol ka jele mansol you know nintubabol pasita ile kuola they use your subordinates and Macky was influentially used to destroy Jammeh Macky.
By the time 22 years for now, most of
it's
a fenke no la mentam bitaola.
Yeah, you can do it. More ni para getinya. It doesn't matter the number. The ages of the number. No. It's just about tactics. You could believe in me to be growing when you have your target time. Sometimes you can more even in the last article, carry bet jarian carry munity, more man hanyala. But kundin kana kwol kono. You'll be finished at a very easy way. So they were cooking towards issues. But it was just like a combination of what, which Macky also played a vital role. But you see, Macky Fanama Wati, he's also facing the same trial now.
Aya long mararobe wala nyawa niya imarata long keku
very well. So that's the issue.
So just for a final point, because we've been on this for a long time. So in terms of because oppositional are being their movement better saying accountability issues, there are a lot of issues.
Very well.
Baro fanai kujamare kede bari jalairu jamara fana ba fana no regarding nafulo maranya bankola nafulo maranya banko maranya so saying ite amira saying that in futata 2026 Barrow has 1 year on his term or less than 1 year on his term.
Yeah.
So I tell him saying ukobe la bana nyandi. Sakombe nying audit report ol men bela kumo fo kante.
Ngane nyunkulu Gambia la system of menya Mustafa banko ko
ya. Afela light tata jang AC fata.
No problem, it's okay. You know, because men keda wale nko, you know, when you look at the political landscape of this country, I'll call it back in the opposition side. Yeah, the incumbent. Maybe you will go 150, I 51 sort of them president. This is one advantage that the incumbent has. And now the issue, I am projecting possibly maybe a 2016 syndrome may also surface. Nothing in Kualbe continue on disturbances and other issues, frustration, other people be fitting. Gambian also cannot killing into a 2016 picture. Nataro 2016 and Nataro as a sort of 2026. If Kualbe continue kanyame, because Mbajela, every opposition Mbajela kondo, do you know what? Nda manyana kahabo, nyimfana manyana kahabo. So let's compromise nga jube mbe Kual kela nyade. But nimmo okay. Everybody alone, Barrow will still have an edge over the rest of the opposition.
Sa ite amen nimbaro winda sa.
Nimbaro winda wala kasaro keta.
Ana defend.
Kasaro keta because the problem ngabe wala ko.
Nimbaro fana fota kasaro skino.
Ani ade ken wala because ndanga menje wala ko. Ite etale long. You don't know what is coming next. What reform do we have? Do you know the leader that we have will even come and announce and say, do you know what? I am going to target this. Now, if I don't meet this target, I'm resigning.
But it's a phone of another.
But it's a sort of no. This is thinking. You know, but until sign, we are not seeing mba fall. This is how you make hey, it's our phone, but until sign, we are not saying that we can have that person that will now come and save because
so in phone, what's the vibe?
Yeah, because let me just come to this. Because now you go Barola Sudesono Benjamin. Mustafa, we have almost 6 institutions in terms of security. And
6 institutions,
for example, security apparatus within the country. You know, these people, when they came, they called reform. SSR. Security sector report. Sorry, reform. But Allah SSR is called security sector reporting. They are only reporting, but they are not reforming. Because reform will talk about laws. Today, NIA, it coming for SIS.
NIA Act levy.
Among sort of Hansai, they are reviewing Hansai man to the parliament. 8 years. Police Act, they are reviewing, nowhere to be seen. You go to Immigration Act, nowhere to be seen. You go to GAFA, nowhere to be seen. Prison Act, nowhere to be seen. Drug law enforcement is reviewed by DCAF until we are part of Nkatala validation. Abe all this law, DCAF abe senyandi. Abe ministry le, abe justice minister. Justice ngamburundi le, abe janere. 8 years. Now, how do we work on exactly stability, security sector reform? Because now tamandiro bekala nyame. Because need to go in another security reform. You cannot be organizing a Mustafa Command workshop wala, traveling and whatever. Lual. For example, do you know when the whole migrants, immigration near migrants all mota, luati je meran ko sa landinya ke migrants all karo, punishment and other issues atije. Certain issues, even drugs, that are correlated now, although lualti je meran ka bay haimela nyame. Immigration, you talk of police all, lual meran ko 1940 something. Lual membi 50 something will bill or lual killing will be because it only have for
police particularly
exactly because it only have for ni nada reform wala mila agenda but they turn the minds of people reform so ndeka menje wala nko in order for us to make gateways they have to push this reform agenda of security sectors because hanada man ko be hanada left salary lafa under the police and whatever ikafa ila lualo now what reform would you work on ni lual man kada kuol to melan ko ila ani and enumeration will also be part and parcel so by hand sign abedasala baba ke pour be punishment ke la police on menti ila anin fana dosin commensurate with that you understand so with all these things is all left justice mine wala nga fo anyom mo sino rente keren down now mo sino la let you go ngawa nyini nga last session akonya go bilol ako dol bije fang wal man futa ta dol bije wal be ministry dol bije a jube la murundi ministry but in the ministry ka fa be justice you are justice ka be ministry so I don't know the kaje ho I don't know whether if a game will play can yoy I don't know really security will be left in the dark like that me would la jang security behavior ten internet we cannot do anything because there are no laws that will be able to guide and give them focus and again more me kureta ke will fund the army kodok so what reform are you talking about o more me an ko ronta me an ko court martial ngi nyande ke martial le fam wal borta today they are brigadier generals in the army. So you see, how do you suit those things? Somebody who has sat for 15 years without even knowing the issue of security, you're okay head of an institution. Or somebody who did a coup d'etat and came and said, I took gun to challenge this, you're okay head into another area. How would the subordinate looks at it? So this is nearly far into the security sector. So in order for you to think, for while that 10 38 December attack us all. They are back in the army and given ranks. Those are others are left majors and captains. Others are colonels in the army. I was a lieutenant in the army when you did the coup d'etat. Now fuel. Today your rank is supersede me. So you see our security sector because all these are issues analyzed. and wo mo kilingol le kasi do bota jang atata Senegal ako he's not even a Gambian being in the Gambian security forces sojarolem B they give me a position higher than even military officers. So you see, so now in fact, what are you trying to grow within the army? What are you trying to grow within the security forces? Example, I can give you an example. Kor Melanchole Tata, Senegalese television. Today, Kor is the director of forestry. A runaway soldier.
Yeah, but he's not a soldier.
No, he came and served in the army. I want the army kono. Yeah, relocated to Fengo forestry. Science and tech.
Yeah.
I'm a less than
Director of the
an army. He's an army. He was removed on second man to go and serve in the forestry. A runaway soldier serve in a forestry for a lot of people are resigning.
Okay.
So in terms of coming for phone la quarter, we are watching very keenly. You know, I can tell you for this.
I'll tell man sila ta follow.
No man sila ta follow. We are still focused and also watching the space. But ngamen for careful to me repeat la. Don't be surprised. And I'm saying this and I'm in record. You know, we have NATO Alliance UDP. That is booming. Though you have the militants that are talking.
Yeah.
But the passing from Mandi and followed.
Honey.
So NATO Alliance now will the UDP. You go to NPP. NATO Alliance Bekeba Madi. You go to our side NATO Alliance. Yeah. Don't be surprised we can meet and discuss and have a compromise. In that, changes could begin with NATO Alliance against the yes.
All right.
As a sort of no.
We'll look forward to that.
So it depends with the discussion. And political doing at among permanent enemies sort of. And I can also tell you.
For the Tonya for Nayanta Sabatla.
And you often you're non different day, Twitter and different day, wherever. Ninko be join us to any alliance. Not Tonya today. To be candid with you, Mustafa. In the political, I don't want to make it as my way. Tonya, what I'm saying, I'm even at the university again, when a second master's kicker. Because ngaje ko political akuo betaka nyame Gambia, I ain't found confusing. But if I'm to join in any alliance force with our people, you will be agreeing a join. Tonya be sabatlal. And amanke ko ibe join na. Biyaje ko Mustafa man abe tilimbale ala, alma be tilimbale ala. Ye geda. Comme PDOS ya Kenyame. We will not do that. We will hold the ransom to tooth and nail. Mbita fo nga fa bar mbe fa la nyola. But amanke ko for example, ite so Mustafa Bake Kamendiata ndefana ngeda. Because the failure of coalition is part of gather all bije. Wala ndo bulo, nyimfana kaga nintefana abe bulo la de. Barban ndema fenge. But we should all come with terms. Ngajeko banko le nsula. Amanke Mustafa membe nyadonko ya kono. So ninga o tarek ngo jerek e baje to now persuade and help us. Then I'm telling you, if Nintol failed as Gambians, Banco Kata Nyame with these queries of audit reports, insecurity and a lot of issues, investments of funds, Bumbayo membe Kerinjang, people are building mansions. You know, Mol Mealanko, they have just served cabinet now. They have story buildings everywhere. You know, children are outside learning. When vulnerable kids, you go to Nemban, Mol Kela Duma. Go to Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital.
No, but that has been here for a long time.
Jamente.
No,
I'm telling. No, tell me.
Huh?
Go and bring. No, if you bring a picture.
Need that EFST.
No, let me tell you. No, let me tell you one thing. Honey, I am not telling. Listen to me very well. I know, and I'm on record. Jamela time, no patient has ever lied down.
But honey, be patient to look.
Mustafa Yara will investigate journal.
Many kids than take all the
more for one monkey patient. I am saying ko.
Patient told for
I am saying Ilamoy. And I have videos that are very salient that are Demban the phone. I call a leader in Demban the condition of Benjamin. Ngafa and Kaka Fatula Albuka visit bank. Demban go there right now, Mustafa. Ni and so. Nada one day, just come to me there for Manketonya. Malafi, you cannot forbid it. I want you to take a car now, go to Demban and study. Patients are lying down with their mattresses. Go to Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital. In an emergency, baby faring Duma. Patient sleeps Duma. Ibe injection will phone call be mama. You don't see the pictures that are floating all over. I am telling you, Jamme, ite nyama ma. Gambia time when it happens like that. Patients down? No. Everybody with a bed. And Gambia goes and visit hospitals. Barabara doesn't visit hospitals. That man is a dead row. Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital, Mol Kela Dumale. Sometimes I feel like matras samana. You own matras like samana. And you bed your somebody man on sasari. Go to hospitals in the Gambia. You'll be shocked.
Okay, alright. Nga kacha kumfa jang. Baraka bakal mame pur kana jang and ngain kacha. I'm sure be nyama sutula. Maybe next week also. Okay, mbadi wala baraka bake alla jibe rola al mame jibala soto foni kansala in kacha to okay. Inshallah, maybe for next week.